Okay guys, I am back with my second unwrapping. So this is for It Just Works. Now, if any of you guys do not know, I have hyperhidrosis. That means I sweat all the time for any reason, even when I'm not hot. Like, in order for me not to sweat, I would have to keep my arms up over my head like the entire day, and that's just not, come on, that's not like realistic. And so I got these just because it kind of helps with the odor. I sweat all over the place. My feet, my hands, under my chest, my head. Usually when I'm out in the sun, my head sweats first, in my armpits. But like literally, I will sweat even in the wintertime. And it's definitely not a fun thing. You find different things to help cut down on the sweating, to help cut down on the odors. But for me, I haven't found anything that works yet. I know Botox helps with sweating, but I just can't afford $1,500, whatever it is, every few months. So I'm kind of stuck. But that is what this is for. This helps with any kind of body odor, from your breath to sweating to your genitals. And this is made out of like 3 ingredients: organic mint, organic parsley, and sodium copper chlorophyllin. And so I just usually take 1. You can actually take up to, I want to say 3. I don't want to say 6. I think that's kind of excessive. I think it's 3, but I only take 1. And you can take, your kids can take these too, but obviously you still want to talk to your doctor. Just make sure that there's nothing in there that they're allergic to, because I would not want to give any advice that affects anyone's health. So this is what they look like. And I take these in the morning time. It's just easier to take all of my supplements early in the morning and just get it over with. And these can go together. I have not had any reactions, but like I said, everything is just really based around your doctor, making sure that you're not taking something that you didn't realize would counteract, and it ends up making one situation worse. But for me, if you are healthy like me and you don't basically know you're going to get the clearance, you go to the doctor, you get it anyways. If you really feel like you're that healthy, and that you haven't had any allergic reactions, then just try it. They do give deals. The more bottles, I would suggest, if you like it, go ahead and get the 6 bottles, because you save a lot of money. Or at least get the 3 bottles, because you save like $20 or so. I don't remember, but these are amazing. And like I said, you can't take these for your teens, but because they're kids, you just want to get it checked out. Anything that you're ingesting in your body, you always check out first. For me, I've never had any allergic reactions, but that doesn't mean that you're not going to. So like I said, if you have any body odors that you want to get rid of, you can try these. They are $30 for a month. They're like $35, but then when you do the subscription, they take off $5, so it's $30 a month. And these are amazing. And like I said, if something happens and you're a few days behind on your subscription, you can just re-sign back up and get the subscription price still. At least that's what's happened with me. I don't want to give any advice, and if something happens with you and for some reason they don't do it, but I know for me, they've been honoring the subscription price as long as, I've been signing up like within a week. I don't know if it's after a month. I think they might kind of give you a little grace period. But, if for some reason you fall short, I would definitely recommend to keep this going. Do not let any days slide by, because then it might start becoming less effective. Just like with any other supplements, you got to keep consistent with it. Keep it on a schedule. Take them at the same time so that your body knows when to start adjusting itself to when you take your supplements. But I'm not a doctor, so you do not want to ask me for any health-related advice. I never went to doctor school. I would not trust myself as a doctor, but I'm just giving my opinions. Like I said, talk to your doctor about everything, but I think if you are healthy, these are great. These are amazing. These are probably the best things I've ever bought, besides my sleeping pills and my energy pills and my detox pills, because they're effective and they give me some peace of mind during the daytime, during nighttime. And so, yeah. Okay, if you happen to find value in this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and hit the bell for all notifications so that you can get all future videos that I upload. If you have any questions, comment below. You can ask me anything. And yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed what information you got, and I hope that it helps you with your quality of life. Bye, guys.